Welcome to Border Drip USA, your go-to source for the latest immigration updates. Should you renew your green card or apply for U.S. citizenship? If your green card is close to expiring, should you renew it or apply for U.S. citizenship? And if you choose to become a citizen, do you need to renew your green card first? These are critical decisions that can impact your future in the U.S., and we're here to break it all down for you in today's video. Applying for U.S. citizenship. Should you do it? If you meet the eligibility criteria for naturalization and have a clean record, meaning no criminal history or gray areas that could raise concerns with USCIS, it's generally a good idea to apply for citizenship as soon as possible.
Why?
Because as the current administration progresses, immigration backlogs are increasing and policy changes are making the process more challenging. If you're eligible, applying now could save you from delays or complications in the future. However, if you're not in a rush, renewing your green card and waiting out the current administration is also an option. U.S. citizenship provides many benefits, including the right to vote, protection from deportation, and easier travel. It also allows you to petition for more family members to immigrate to the U.S. So, if you're considering applying, it's worth taking this step sooner rather than later. What if your green card is expiring soon? A common question is whether you need to renew your green card before applying for citizenship. As of now, USCIS accepts naturalization applications even if your green card is expired. However, this policy may change soon. In the past, USCIS required applicants to have a valid green card or proof that they had already applied for a renewal, Form I-90, before submitting their citizenship application, Form N-400. What should you do? If your green card is still valid, you can go ahead and apply for citizenship without renewing it. If your green card has already expired, it's best to renew it first by filing Form I-90 before submitting your naturalization application. If you don't renew your expired green card before applying for citizenship, there's a risk USCIS may deny your application on the basis that you didn't maintain valid documentation. Having an expired green card can also cause problems in your daily life. It may make it harder to travel internationally, get a job, or renew your driver's license. That's why it's generally recommended to keep your green card current, even if you're planning to become a citizen. The cost factor. One downside of renewing your green card before applying for citizenship is the additional cost. The I-90 form costs around $500, while the N-400 application for naturalization costs about $710. If USCIS denies your citizenship application due to an expired green card, you could end up losing your naturalization fee and have to reapply, doubling your expenses. To avoid this financial risk, many people prefer to renew their green card first. Although it's an extra cost up front, it may provide peace of mind in the long run. Could applying for citizenship lead to deportation? Another concern many have is whether applying for citizenship could put them at risk of deportation. Generally, when you renew your green card, USCIS does not deeply investigate your background unless something triggers a review. However, applying for citizenship subjects you to a more detailed review. If you have any past criminal issues or immigration violations, it's crucial to consult with an immigration attorney before applying. In some cases, renewing your green card may be a safer option than applying for citizenship if there's any risk of deportation. Special cases. Inadmissibility versus deportability. Some green card holders may be inadmissible, but not deportable. This means that if they leave the U.S., they may not be allowed to return. However, staying in the U.S. and waiting out the required 5-year good moral character period before applying for citizenship could be a strategic move. This is a complex legal area, so if you fall into this category, consulting an attorney is highly recommended. Additionally, there are situations where individuals who have past offenses on their record may still qualify for citizenship, but it depends on factors such as the nature of the offense, when it occurred, and whether it falls within the required good moral character period. Benefits of U.S. citizenship. Beyond avoiding the hassle of renewing your green card every 10 years, becoming a U.S. citizen offers several significant advantages. Voting rights. Citizens have the right to vote in federal elections and have a say in the country's leadership. No risk of deportation. Unlike green card holders, citizens cannot be deported for most criminal offenses. Easier family sponsorship. Citizens can petition for more family members to immigrate to the U.S. with shorter wait times. Freedom to travel. U.S. citizens can obtain a U.S. passport, which allows visa-free or visa-on-arrival travel to many countries. Given these benefits, citizenship is often the better long-term choice for those who qualify. Conclusion. Deciding whether to renew your green card or apply for U.S. citizenship depends on your individual circumstances. If you're unsure, it's always best to consult with an immigration professional to avoid costly mistakes. If you're eligible for citizenship, applying sooner rather than later could save you from policy changes or increased backlogs. However, if your green card is already expired, renewing it first may be the safer route. That wraps up today's video. If you found this information helpful, let us know in the comments. For more immigration updates, subscribe to Border Drip USA, and we'll see you in the next video.